In the ever-shifting landscape of three-row SUVs, the Ford Explorer has always carried a badge of honor. Since its debut in the early 90s, it's been a staple in American driveways, a symbol of adventure, practicality, and capability. But in 2027, Ford isn't just updating the Explorer, they're redefining it. The 2027 Explorer doesn't stray from its heritage of performance-first engineering, but it refines the formula. Ford offers a lineup of powertrains to suit a wide range of drivers, from suburban school runners to road trip warriors. At the heart of the lineup, you'll find a 2.3-liter EcoBoost inline-4, delivering a confident 300 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, enough muscle to pull trailers and merge onto highways with authority, while keeping fuel efficiency respectable. For those craving more, the 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 in the ST trim returns with 400 horsepower and a more responsive 415 lb-ft, making it one of the sportiest options in this segment. But what's new and particularly compelling is the introduction of a plug-in hybrid variant, finally arriving in the US after years of success in Europe. This model combines an electric motor with the 2.3L EcoBoost, offering over 35 miles of electric-only range and a total system output north of 360 horsepower. It's not just a greener option, it's a smarter one for families looking to cut fuel costs without sacrificing capability. Inside the 2027 Explorer, you're greeted by a completely reimagined cockpit. Ford finally ditches the vertical infotainment tablet and opts for a more integrated, driver-focused 15.5-inch touchscreen, seamlessly paired with a crisp 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Sync 5 brings an AI-enhanced user experience, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, over-the-air updates, and even vehicle-to-home integration for smart households. The system feels less like a gimmick and more like a true co-pilot. Let's talk styling. The 2027 Explorer doesn't completely reinvent itself, but the changes are meaningful. The grille is now broader and more commanding, flanked by slimmer LED matrix headlights and a more sculpted hood. It's less utilitarian, more executive SUV, especially in Platinum and ST line trims, which feature blackout treatments, unique badging, and larger wheels that add genuine presence. Here's where things get strategic. Ford knows it can't outprice the market. The base 2027 Explorer starts around $39,000, which undercuts the fully loaded versions of the Kia Telluride and Hyundai Palisade. The sweet spot? That would be the XLT with the hybrid option, likely to be in the $45,000 range. A compelling value for what you're getting. That's it for today's deep dive. What do you think of the new Explorer? Is Ford finally giving the competition a run for their money? Or is it still playing catch-up? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more high-octane insights. Until next time, this is Cars Jade. Drive smart, live bold.